What day is today?
It's Sunday.
No. Today is Chelsea Day. Nanti malam Milan main ya?
Iya.
Gue mesti hapus dulu nih. Nanti malam MU main ya?
Iya.
Dan ntar malam Chelsea main ya?
Enggak, orang film Mahabharata dan Yuda Akbar.
Anjir. Kata gue baru tahu kalau hari itu banyak, not just Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Pub Day, High Day, May Day, May Day, May Day, May Day. What day is today?
Sunday.
No, today is Juve Day. Chelsea Day, City Day, MU Day, Juve Day, Milan Day, PSG Day, Inter Day, Day. Berarti kalau gini caranya, dalam sebulan ada kurang lebih 30 hari. Jadi dalam sebulan kurang lebih 30 hari itu, harinya berbeda-beda tergantung hashtag. Jadi rumusnya, hari sama dengan hashtag. Contoh, hari ini hari Minggu, Chelsea main. Jadi hari ini bukan hari Minggu, tapi hari Chelsea. Hashtag Chelsea Day. Jadi rumusnya, hari sama dengan hashtag. Hari ini bukan hari Minggu, tapi hari Chelsea. Hashtag Chelsea Day. Today it's not Sunday, but today it's Crazy Day.